How is VPN different from proxy? Harry Hercules says, we can use a proxy or a VPN for unblocking of web pages and websites. They both have same functionalities. Although there's some difference in secured connections and methodologies, both strategies keep our work and browsing private when we use the internet. Both tools have the same function, but they work differently. If you are sending or receiving emails, video streaming or approach to any website, VPN and dedicated proxy give you privacy protection. When it comes to proxies, then you can consider that a proxy is in another computer present between you and your server. When you connect to the internet, you first have to connect with a proxy. Once connected, you will be connected to the desired page outside the host server. A proxy and VPN both have their own significance in hiding your original IP address. Both of them provide you with an IP address which belongs to the proxy server and hides your actual IP address. In this way, your location and IP address are kept private. In other words, you've your maximum anonymity. VPNs have an advantage over proxies as it encrypts all of your data and information. It can also encrypt the traffic on your website while proxies cannot. In this scenario, you remain secured from hackers. Proxies also saves its user from hackers, but not in all cases. The security policy of the VPN is more strict as compared to the proxies. In the online system, VPN promotes privacy. VPN protects the accounts from hackers in online banking, transactions, and billing procedures. It continues to update its privacy policy to make the system more secure. On the other hand, proxies are always vulnerable to hackers' attack. Moreover, proxy servers save your data, and it can send your data to third parties. Patrick J. Burt says, whilst both of these technologies reroute your computer's network internet connection and change your IP address, they do work in slightly different ways, and the products coexist as customer compatibility with either or both may vary based on firewall security and/or ISP provisions. Think of a proxy server as a kind of filter. In simple terms, the proxy settings are applied to your chosen internet browser, i.e. Internet Explorer, Mozilla Firefox, etc. Then when browsing web pages, they are routed to you via the proxy with all the benefits associated with the proxy server, i.e. security, speed, geographic location, etc. Unlike a proxy, which only secures the internet browser or software application with the proxy data entered into it, VPN, virtual private network. Let's take PureVPN as an example. Encrypted tunneling encrypts all your internet access, effectively replacing your local ISP routing 100% for all applications with all the benefits associated with the VPN server, i.e. security, speed, geographic location, etc. VPN can easily be connected or disconnected with a click on a desktop icon. In conclusion, a proxy is purely browser-based and has less compatibility with certain websites that use non-browser technology, i.e. Zatu, View TV, 4OD, SkyPlayer, FoxOD, etc., whereas VPN will work with all internet-based services but offers less choice on which applications you route through the external server. As with VPN, everything is routed whilst you are connected to it. Ben Ascender says, a proxy acts as an intermediary between you and the internet. When you're using a proxy server, your request runs through the proxy server, which changes your IP address first, and only then connects to the website. A virtual private network, VPN, is a private network that is constructed over a public infrastructure, which allows end users to send and receive data across public networks as if their online devices were directly connected to the private network. In general, if you are not sure what you should use, I found a blog post that explains more about these services. Thanks for watching our video on how is VPN different from proxy.